Ram Narayan Ram. In today's program, we are going to share some important things with you. By knowing and adopting them, you can live a happy and prosperous life. One thing we must always remember is that we should live our lives in harmony with nature because nature brings balance to us. Whenever there is a deficiency in our lives, nature corrects it. Therefore, stay connected with your nature, keep a positive attitude, have love and the intent to support each other, and then you will see how much easier life becomes. We have ourselves bound our lives with troubles. Unknowingly, we have entangled our lives. Ram Narayan Ram helps guide your entangled life in the right direction. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, they get a new perspective on life. This new perspective gives us fresh energy, making life successful. Our earth is the land of penance. Faith is our strength. Patience is our discipline. Love is our self-confidence. If we carry these values in our hearts and keep moving forward, we will find the destination on our own. There's no need for politics of hatred or trying to bring others down. Nature has given us so much that can make our life blessed. We need to learn from nature. We all know that nature can never be destroyed. However, it does go through changes, and these changes teach us new lessons. In life, a person can achieve whatever they desire with ease. You must have often seen people around you who are troubled. Some are worried about their work, some about their studies, and others about not making progress in life. But if you listen to the conscience and awareness within you, you will gain the right knowledge. When you receive the right knowledge, the correct path to success will appear before you. And by walking on this path, you will get everything you have ever imagined. A person can free themselves from all obstacles, troubles, and fears if they understand themselves, recognize the supreme truth, and connect with nature. Also, if they chant Ram Narayan Ram. The name Ram Narayan Ram has a calmness and power that fills you with energy and makes you capable of accomplishing your tasks. It connects you with the supreme truth of the universe. Ram Narayan Ram is a name that, when chanted, helps you have an encounter with your true self. Many people around the world have connected with Ram Narayan Ram and not only changed their own lives but also contributed to the welfare of those around them. When a person connects with Ram Narayan Ram, they receive a new perspective on life. This new perspective gives them new energy and makes life successful. Ram Narayan Ram always teaches people to keep their thoughts positive. Always perform good deeds and help others as much as possible. Through Ram Narayan Ram, efforts are made to eliminate negative energy from society so that darkness can be dispelled and the light of awareness can spread. By connecting with Ram Narayan Ram, people's lives are becoming successful and they are continuously progressing on the path of success. Ram Narayan Ram awakens your inner self. Often in life, situations arise where you chase your dreams, but they remain unfulfilled. Despite your best efforts, you face failure. Do you know the reason behind this? The biggest reason is that you have not yet recognized your own inner powers. If you wish to recognize your powers and the voice of your inner self, then connect with the name of Ram Narayan Ram right now. Then not only will your dreams come true, but you will also feel a different kind of energy within you. That's why it is said that the name Ram Narayan Ram contains the power that encompasses the entire creation. When you connect with the name Ram Narayan Ram, you will understand how life's difficulties fade away and how reality and happiness become part of your life. Life does not become meaningful by merely thinking or sitting idle. Life becomes meaningful through action and by connecting with the name of Ram Narayan Ram.